this is Jamie Magritte. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. This video is just a little bit different. I have a card challenge. It's a color challenge to use Daffodil Delight, Melon Mambo, Old Olive, and Memento Tuxedo Black. I've got just some scraps, bits of things. I did make some layers to go under them, but they were just scraps. This is from the Pattern Party. This was left over from a piece that I had embossed before. This was die cut in my pack of Melon Mambo paper. And then I've got another one of those that was embossed with the, let's see, Artful painted texture. Oops, excuse me. The painted texture. This, oh, this is the wrong one. This is the other one, the Wintry 3D. That's what that one is. And I have some pieces that are cut out, that I cut out with Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and Old Olive, using the iconic dies. Just some flowers and some leaves, and I figure we'll come up with a card using that. So let's see what we can come up with. I got an idea. Let's see what it comes out like. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this. And this is 1 inch. I think it's a little bit less than 5.5. And then I'll measure. It's the black layer is 1 1/8 by 5.5. So, all right. And then this one is 1.5 inches by 4 inches. It was just a scrap, and then I made a layer to go with it. Oh, behind it. Glue on me already. That way, just a hair. And the black layer is 1 5/8 by 4 1/8. And then this one, excuse me, it's 4 by 5 1/4. Black layer is 4 1/4 by 5.5. Same as the front of my card. Let's go ahead and mount that. Okay, then I thought I'd put this layer here. Maybe tuck this one behind it like that. And then this one would go here. So let's do that. Excuse me. That's basically centered. Oops, it would be nicer if it was straight though. Okay, and then on this one will go here. I think I'm going to need dimensionals on this end. Yeah, let's bring in some dimensionals. So on this side, the other side can be flat. And I want to break the line here. I want to go below that or above it. Either way, I think I'm going to go below it. So it has the different angles. Okay, now let's bring in some of these. And that there. I could put that there. A couple other leaves here. A couple of those. And let's bring in the melon mambo. Ooh, I like that. I don't know if I need anything else. I think that's what I'm going to do right there. Got more flowers here. Maybe I can put a couple on the inside. Okay, so let's move these pink ones. Let's do this one first. Just little bits of glue there. There's not a lot. I'm going to go there. These ones here. I think we need dimensionals on the back of. Put them together so they're, and then I'll add one behind each one. Probably didn't need this one, but that's alright. Alright. Put some dimensional on the back of this one. Small ones for the other side. Some of those holes have popped out, so do it like that. Dimensional on this one. Oops. A little bit of glue on the back of this one. I don't know, what do you think? I think it needs a sentiment. Let's see if we can find a little strip. Over here. And a sentiment. Let me put you on pause and go find a sentiment, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm going to bring in Forever Fern. I'm going to bring in this hello. I think that'll work. and stamp it. Okay. And then, let's see. It needs to be a little bit narrower. I'm just lining it up, the words with the edge of the, what do we call it here, the guide. I think that'll work. Alright, so what do we want to do? Do we want to do fishtail? It needs to be like that, and then let's bring this in and fishtail flag this end. Oops, wrong side. I'm blanking. This way. This way. There we go. I think that'll work. Okay. So let's bring it out. I'll put a small dimensional over here. One over here. A little bit of glue in the middle. Tuck it under that flower. Needs to go in a little bit more. There, I think. Whoops. Must be I need another dimensional under there. Must be too high there. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in a pair of scissors. And clip off this end. There you go. I think it needs something else. Let's bring in, make a bow. Let's see. This is that baker's twine. Not sure if I like that. Maybe over here, but I think the tails would need to be shorter. And my better scissors. I think I like it there. Let's bring the glue dot. Tuck that up in there so it can still see the sentiment. And then let's finish it off with some of these matte black dots. Maybe that'll be too much. I don't know. We'll give it a try. Down here. And here. One right there. That gives that triangle. Well, I kind of like it. What do you think? Well, thank you so much for joining me today while I play, and I hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper. Have a great one. Bye.